Welcome to Amazing Reviews. Unfortunately, our bike tire went flat. Therefore, I show you now in this video how to easily replace the tube and what you need for this. Everything else after the short intro. First of all, you should turn your bike around so that it touches the ground with the saddle and handlebars. The advantage here is simply that you can get to the screws easier and of course the tire easier to remove. Now take a size 15 wrench and unscrew the wheel nuts on both sides. Also remove the washer on both sides. Now you can easily pull the tire out. If the brake interferes within this step, you will have to open it before. We now have the single tire. So next we need to get the broken tube out. This is a bit more difficult. First you have to loosen the screws on the valve, otherwise you won't be able to pull the tube out through the hole. Now look for some relatively thin, but stable tool, because we have to get the tube out of the rim. You do this by first levering the tire out of the rim. Then you do this once along the tire, so that one side is already hanging out. Now do the same on the other side. Subsequently, you can separate the rim and the tire from each other, so that the tube is exposed. Last, you remove the root out of the rim. Now there are two options. Either you repair the tube or you replace it. In my case, I exchanged it. I just bought a new tube. The necessary size for your bike you will find printed on the tire itself. Just take a picture and go to the supermarket. In case of need, you can always ask there. So before we reattach the new tube, we check for safety whether anything sharp is in the tube. To do this, simply slide your hand completely through the inside of the tire and see if anything pricks your finger. If this is not the case, then you can be sure that the tire is okay. Once you have done this, the first thing we can do is put the tire back on the rim. To do this, we simply insert the rim into the tire casing and press only one side back into the rim. Afterwards, we add the tube. To do this, take the valve and insert it through the hole provided. Then, we guide the tube into the underside of the tire jacket. Finally, of course, we have to push the other side of the tire jacket back into the rim, and that's it. To be on the safe side, I still let the tire gently jump on the ground, so that the tube is properly distributed within the tire. You should do this when inflating. Now we have a new tire, which we simply put back in place. Now tighten the wheel bolts, if necessary fasten the brakes and turn the bike around again. Finally, inflate the tire and the ride can continue. That's it from me. Links to suitable bicycle tubes can be found in the text box. Should I have helped you with this review, so please leave a subscription. A like and comment I also take. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you at the next amazing reviews.